Hey, what's up, you guys, and welcome back to my channel. So this video is going to be my Saturday morning cleaning routine. So of course I had to get Alexa to play me some music. I've been loving the SZA's new album. It has SOS. It's been on repeat, y'all. It's been on repeat here. So first thing I do is open the blinds, let some sunlight in. It just kind of wakes me up, and I love watching the sunrise. I've been up since 6:30, so yeah, I've been up for a while, but I finally decided to go ahead and start cleaning and getting my cleaning routine going. I always start in my room first because it's not really dirty. Like, my room is always clean. I strip my bed, wash my sheets. I wash them every Saturday morning. Once a week, my sheets are getting washed. So this is just every Saturday thing. I throw them in the washing machine and get the cleaning. And I had a little jam session. Like I said, I've been enjoying and loving the new SZA album. I start in the bathroom. I like to go ahead and get my counter space just back to where it's supposed to be. So any products that I've used throughout the week that I kind of left sitting out, or from the previous night or the day before, I'll put them back in their place and then just put everything away. Then I go in and I just kind of move the products around just to clean and wipe the space. The things that actually sit on my bathroom countertop, my bathroom sink, that don't move, because I reach for them every day. So it just makes more sense to keep them out. So like all of my skincare stuff, it stays in that little revolving container, which is so cute. I can't remember where I got that from, y'all. But yeah, I can't remember. But just moving the soap, moving my toothpaste, mouthwash, all of that good stuff. Just restocking products as well that I'm running low on. So I like to just give my bathroom sink a nice refresh. I clean out all of like the gunk, toothpaste gunk, and just hair from when I'm doing my hair in the mornings, and just wipe them off. Like I said, my bathroom is never super dirty. This is a space I use every single day and night. So I like to keep it clean. I like to keep it clean so that I'm able to really just function in it and not having a bunch of chaos. Like, my mental health is crucial to me keeping my place clean. I may have a day where I just kind of like get lazy, or I'm too tired and I don't do anything, but the next day I'm gonna be back on it. So just finishing up, giving that sink a good clean, giving the counters a good wipe down, and putting everything back where it belongs, and refreshing any products that I am out of. So after I put my products back, I like to go ahead and take that trash out. I use grocery bags for my trash because the bigger trash bags for my kitchen trash can are expensive in itself. So I just think this is just a more efficient thing for me and cheaper. Like, just use the bags that I bought groceries with. Then I almost forgot to clean my bathroom mirror. I like to do it this way: spray the glass cleaner on the paper towel, then wipe. Glass really wasn't that dirty, just splatter from brushing my teeth in the mornings. But I don't like the blue splatter because then I have to rewipe my counters down. So I'll just go ahead and just spray the glass cleaner onto a paper towel. Then I clean the toilet down, give it a nice good clean and a good wipe down. Once I finish wiping the toilet down, I like to spray this Bath and Body Works room spray. I think that one was Into the Stars. I'm not 100% sure, but yeah, I think that's what it was. Next, I'm going to move into the kitchen. I made breakfast prior to me starting my cleanup. Got up earlier this morning. I've been up since about 6:30, and I watched BMF after I made me some breakfast and just kind of sat for a minute. Then I finally decided, okay, I got to get up and I got to clean. So I started the cleaning process. What I'm doing is just dumping out any leftover food that was in my pots. Then I like to go ahead and just start putting things away, putting things back in the refrigerator, back in the cabinets that I had just kind of sitting out, and just kind of really getting this kitchen back to its functioning self. So just putting everything back in the pantry, clearing it out, clearing the space out, And at this point, y'all, I was getting tired, so I needed a water break. So I just took me a little water break. And then I got to cleaning the dishes. I didn't have many, just a couple of pots that I cooked with, and I just needed to clean those really quick. It didn't take me but probably about 5 minutes to even wash these dishes. Like I said, it wasn't a whole lot. It wasn't really it really wasn't a lot of dishes. Wasn't a need for just take a lot of time. Just knock them out and get them out the way. Another thing is a pet peeve of mine. I cannot stand leaving dishes in the sink. No judgment to anybody that does it, but I just can't do it because having a lot of dishes to clean can be overwhelming for me because this is a task that I actually hate doing. I don't like washing dishes, but I do it to get it out the way. And I know it's something that I have to do because I cook, so I have to clean up what I use, but I don't keep a lot of dishes in the sink. I may leave something from the night before of cooking, but better believe I'm getting up that next morning or when I come back from work the next day and I'm cleaning those dishes up. Next, I'm just wiping down my counter, just getting that island nice and clean. Just, it hadn't really had a good wipe down since about Thursday. Like I said, I spot clean during the week. So Saturday is when I really deep clean everything. And of course, I'm going to light a candle. This is a Bath and Body Works candle. I can't remember what it's called. I think it's, I ain't even going to lie to y'all. I don't remember. But I love this candle because it smells just like laundry detergent in a jar. It really does. And like, it smells amazing. So I've really been going for this fresh, clean scent in my apartment. Sometimes my room sprays a little bit more fruitier, but that's when I'm just like after dinner during the week cooking, or like if I spot clean, I just like to spray something really quickly. But most of the time I like smelling that fresh, clean scent. So now I'm just going in, tidying up the living room, which I'm hardly ever in here, to be honest, unless I have company. So it doesn't really need a lot of tidying. I did have my laptop in there because I was doing some training in the week, so I just need to put that away and some papers away and fold the blanket up, spray sanitizer because when people come over, I disinfect. I like to make sure that everything is clean. So next, I'm just sweeping and giving the kitchen, the bathroom, the hallway a good Swiffer. I like to pour Fabuloso on the mopping pads just to give them a more saturated, just get everything extra clean. And that's pretty much it. After I Swiffer, I'm pretty much done. That's kind of my final step. And then after that, I just pretty much kind of rest a little bit. And then I start to get dressed for the day, go out, run errands, and do everything that I need to do. But that's pretty much it, you guys. Like I said, oh, look at that pad. But that's pretty much it, you guys. Thank you for watching.